How to create a broadcast channel into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can create the broadcast channel into the Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and here you have to open up the DM. Now once you are in here you have to click on this top right corner pen icon and from here you have to add the broadcast channel. Now you have to create a broadcast channel, but you have to keep in mind that not all accounts have this option available. So as you can see that in my main account this option is also not available. So what you have to do is simply tap on it and create a broadcast channel, and you have to give your channel name and you are able to create into your profile. So that's how you can create the broadcast channel into your Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.